DEWALT DCCS672B 60V max 18-inch brushless chainsaw, bare tool, real torque, no pull cord. The recoil cord snapped back against his glove, and the engine still wouldn't start. I watched a contractor burn 10 minutes on a cold morning just trying to wake up a gas saw while the crew stood waiting. Dead silence. That kind of delay stings when work is stacked. If you've dealt with that frustration, you know exactly what I mean. Those small delays pile up into missed timelines and tight shoulders by the end of the week. The smell of mixed fuel lingers on your hands, and the noise alone can rattle your focus. One landscaper told me he dreaded early storm cleanups because starting equipment felt like a battle. It wears you down. But there's a cleaner way forward. Don't just pick any cordless chainsaw. Make sure it has a high-efficiency brushless motor so you never experience power fade in dense hardwood again. That realization led me to the DEWALT DCCS672B 60V max 18-inch brushless chainsaw, bare tool. Built on the 60V max flex volt platform, it delivers the torque curve professionals expect from mid-sized gas models without fuel mixing or pull cords. The 18-inch bar handles limbing, bucking, and felling small to medium trees with confident reach. Tool-free chain tensioning keeps adjustments quick when heat causes stretch, and the automatic oiler with a clear window removes guesswork. Instant trigger starts feel different. A commercial property manager nearly fell behind after a storm, but with a 9 amp-hour battery, he processed debris smoothly and finished before dark. Beyond raw cutting, experienced users quietly appreciate the reduced noise for residential zones and the balanced design that limits fatigue. If you're already invested in FlexVolt, this bare tool simply makes sense, and long-term, that convenience compounds. After a few weeks of steady use, the new normal becomes obvious. Grab a battery, check the oil window, and get to work. No carburetors, no spark plugs. An arborist I spoke with admitted he was skeptical at first, then told me it pulled through oak without that RPM drop he expected from battery saws. That shift in trust matters. A commercial landscaper shared that his crew prefers it because there's no fuel mixing and far fewer maintenance interruptions, especially during long cleanup days. Real traction. Some buyers worry about runtime or long-term durability, which is fair. With the right FlexVolt battery, many users report hundreds of cuts in framing lumber or steady progress through hardwood, and having a second battery on hand keeps momentum strong. The brushless motor design also reduces wear compared to brushed alternatives, supporting longer service life. I've personally noticed how much quieter morning jobs feel in residential areas, which changes client interactions more than you'd expect. Are you still holding on to gas out of habit? More contractors are transitioning their 18-inch class saws to battery because the total ownership experience is simply easier to manage. The DEWALT DCCS672B 60V max 18-inch brushless chainsaw, bare tool, is less about novelty and more about steady, dependable performance without gas headaches. Professionals already invested in FlexVolt are quietly adding it to their lineup for cleaner starts and simpler maintenance. Results may vary based on battery choice and workload, but the shift in convenience is immediate. Smart upgrade. If you're ready for smoother cutting and fewer startup battles, check the link in the description or pinned comment and experience the difference today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.